Today we're going to discuss how to sell fiber services without owning any infrastructure. Yebo, zero, zilch, nada, like auna luto, no infrastructure, mafethu. You know, I wish some of these opportunities were available when we were starting out, because it would have saved me a whole lot of time, stress, and a bit of this gray hair that's growing there somewhere. Hey. But yeah, such is life, yeah? In case you don't know who I am already, ke Setlogolo sa Bakwena, ke nna Kopano Ramashala, founder and CEO of Bakwena Telecommunications. And we usually start these episodes like this. Drum roll, please. So let me give you the plug. The easiest and cheapest way to sell fiber internet in South Africa without spending millions on trenching and digging and building your own network is by becoming an ISP partner with a large fiber network operator like your DFAs and your OpenServe, depending on what your target market is. What do you need, you may ask? Simple, Bafit. Number one, OV, a registered business. So that one is the obvious one, Bafit. Let's not go back there again. Number two, sign up and get verified by one of the payment gateway providers. For example, your PayFast, your Peach Payments, etc., etc. You know what I mean? Number three, have a website, presentable, friendly, you know, where people can see your products and obviously apply for your services. And adding on that, the usual social media pages, so you know we get to see the products and services that you're selling, and you can advertise and market yourself. Sharp. Number four, you need an ICASA license. And here you don't even need one of those expensive fancy ones that everybody is parading about, Starlink vibes, you know. But yeah, and this is why. This is as per the Act, and this is what the Act reads in terms of a exempt license, which is the license that you actually need. In the event that a company or an entity would like to resell electronic communication services, duly obtained from an upstream electronic communication service provider, it would need to apply for an ECS license exemption, meaning you'll be exempted from getting an ECS license because the upstream provider, which will be your DFA or your OpenServe in this regard that I'd like to delve deep into, already has those licenses, so you don't need them. So this is where you're going to save the biggest buck, of course. And yeah, after that, you're basically done. All you need to do, send an email and apply, and let the vetting agents vet you, you know, let that process begin. It may take a bit of time, as the vetting agents obviously are busy people because they've got dozens and dozens of applications coming through. But yeah, it will take you some weeks and other places some months, but eventually you'll be okay. You'll get what you need. And such is the same with the license exempt license. So you must be asking yourself, how will you be selling services over this infrastructure without you even having any data center set up? You don't have any IPT, no backhaul, wada. Well, that's the beauty of it. With FNO providers such as your OpenServe, they have a beautiful variety of broadband products, that's what they call it, where you'll only need to just log on to the portal once you've been vetted and accepted and you have the login details, log all of the details of your customer and your client that you'll be selling to, and you're done, you know. They take care of the rest. They do all of that heavy lifting. Like, you basically just sit back and relax while they run off and install. If there's an issue, they maintain. All you do is log a ticket. But you must note, you need to listen to the crying of your clients when they're crying. And yeah, have good customer service, of course. And yeah, you'll be good. And that's it. Like, this video is basically done, wrapped up. So yeah, If you need any help with licensing or how to go about it and who to email at your open server, your DFAs, you're more than welcome to give me a shout using the email that's in the description, and I'll be happy to help. A little side note though, I do get a bit busy at times with the business and family and life in general. So my time may come at a cost, but it'll save you hours and hours of hardships and hurdles that I had to jump before. So yeah, that's it. Video ichaile. I just hope you can like, share, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think of these videos and if they are informative for you. And join us for a next video where I'll be diving into making 15K plus using an outdoor wireless hotspot. So be sure to join us. Kinna kopano ramashala once again, and I'm out.